Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? Horace here, also known as La Machine. Good morning to you. And I wanted to share a little something to you. I hope you don't mind. On this channel, of course, we focus on selling on Amazon, primarily using the arbitrage business model. But I wanted to talk about being an entrepreneur and your health. And I'm doing this because it's so very important to what you're trying to accomplish as a successful business person. You have to take care of your health, and it doesn't need to be difficult, but it does need to be consistent. And another reason I'm sharing it is because I'm 53 and a half years old, going on 54, and I have my health challenges. I'm in the process of developing a formula, and it's actually working. And of course, the type of person I am, I want to share that. So again, please excuse me if you really don't want to hear about it, but it is vital. Your health comes first and foremost. Without that, there's nothing that's going on Amazon or any other platform, for that matter, that's really going to mean anything, because you need your health to be able to do it. So what I'm doing right now, I'm taking my half an hour walk. I do it daily. Walking is absolutely one of the best things that you can do. Obviously, humans were made, excuse me, got my finger over there, but humans were made to walk. That's the way we were meant to get about, to get around. And I'm doing a lot of research on it, and I'm enjoying the findings that researchers have discovered in terms of, cognitive function, health. I have struggles with my blood pressure, with diabetes, and all of these things. I'm really optimistic about my ability to not only combat but actually reverse those conditions. And you don't have to make it difficult. Going for a walk for half an hour, you can find that time. Because if I told you to sit down and watch the latest real nice series on Netflix, I would get probably zero opposition. So you can do this for yourself. I will advise a nice, comfortable pair of shoes. Now I'm going to show you the ones that I wear. I mean, these things are like floating on a cloud. I'm a Skechers guy, so I'm biased, but this is a pair of these are the Skechers that I wear. I like the way they look. I'll definitely love the way they feel. And I'll put a link in the description, but that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is that you get some form of exercise. Now, I do also lift weights, but again, I'm biased with that because I've been a weightlifter since I was 15 years old. So that's just something I love to do because I love the way it feels. I love having strength, and I like the way it looks. But that's part of being physically fit. Being physically fit and being healthy, that's two different things. You can look great and not be healthy. I'm proof of that. But I want to tell you, when you go on your walk, that's a chance for you to clear your mind, get your thoughts together. It's a form of meditation. You can listen to music if you want. I tend to listen to good content that deals with a lot of personal development, because that's just what I'm into. I've made a habit of personal development. So I benefit greatly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside, and I'm going to show you a little bit of my numbers so that you can see the types of numbers that I'm doing right now, if you're interested, on Amazon. Right now, this is where I got my operation right now. So I'm gonna unzip that a little bit later, get inside, and work on my orders for the day. When we go in, I'm gonna fix a shake. I'm gonna fix my protein shake. I'm gonna show you the work I got ahead of me. Whew, I got a lot of work before I go to work because you guys know I drive a truck. So I'm gonna show you the kind of money you can make in your part time. And when you keep yourself fit, wow, you can do you can do things. I mean, there's a lot of guys that are middle aged like me that cannot get around like me, cannot, you know, do the things that I do, but actually they could if they would put forth the effort. So that's where I want to encourage you. So hold on a second and let's go inside. All right, hustlers. So I did mention that I do a protein shake in the mornings, and this is the brand that I use. It's called Kajava. It tastes great. It's easy to fix, and the way I do it, I like crushed ice in mine, but you don't have to do that. And what's good about it is it's plant-based, which I was vegan for about a couple years. I'm no longer vegan, but I still like a lot of plant-based products. All you need is two level, well actually heaping scoops. I like ice in mine. Throw it in a blender and watch this. I like the vanilla flavor, and tastes delicious. So try that. All right, hustlers. So before I get going, because I got plenty of work to do, I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I got going on here. Because the purpose of this video is to show you that when you keep your health together, there's a lot you can get done as an entrepreneur, literally in your part time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look in my Amazon account. And let's see. So it looks like today I haven't had any sales. Current balance almost 7,000. In my last 30 days, I've done roughly 15,000. Oops. But what I wanted to do was change that to this month. So you can see, because today is the 11th and we've done 8,000 this month already. So you figure if we can keep up on this level, we'll probably do about, I'm going to say about 20,000. We'll see how that works out. If you wanted to see year to date where we're at like 50,000. And of course, I don't get to keep that. But these are my Amazon orders for today. Quite a bit there. That's probably about 70 orders. So I got my work to do, guys. I got to get going. But that was just to show you what you can do. I really want to encourage you, hustlers. You have what it takes. And yeah, I check down in the description. There's some things I want to share with you if you'd like to invest in some things. If you want to be like La Machine, then you got to start taking some of the actions that I take. It's just that simple. Success leaves clues. You guys know that because a lot of you study personal development. So there's really nothing I'm going to share with you that you haven't heard. But what I want to do is get you, if you're not, I want to get you to start taking action. And it's not just about selling on Amazon or whatever platform you might be on. It's about taking care of your health. And you might be saying, hey, La Machine, I didn't come here for this. I want to get down to business and I want to learn how to sell on Amazon. Well, we got you covered. In fact, we've been creating videos since 2017 for you. So you're already good to go. There are all sorts of videos right on this channel that do nothing but teach you how to actually roll up your sleeves and get going. Okay. You guys know I do arbitrage. I use a software called Tactical Arbitrage. We got plenty of videos on that. You can try that for free, but I encourage you to take the free lightning courses. That way, when you get your free 10-day trial using the link, you're ready to start making money. And make sure you join us, because on Saturdays we have tactical arbitrage training right there for you guys. You're good to go. Don't need no course. Don't need nothing. You have training. And in that training, you've got me personally teaching you how to source using the software that I use. And you can ask questions. If you want to get in contact with me right now, you can text the words Working Class Hustler to the number on the screen or down in the description. Guys, there's just no excuse. I'm here for you. I will see you guys in the next video.